Hey guys, it's Star, the Flippin' Hippo. Today we're going to share with you some of the footage we took on the ride along to the Goodwill Sunday. And then at the end of this, I'm going to tack on a haul where I'm going to show you some highlights of the things that we bought. We did get snowed in this weekend. They were predicting Snowmageddon on Friday, which it didn't turn out to be the end of the world, but it was pretty bad. There was a good bit of snow. We were snowed in. We couldn't get out. They didn't plow our roads. Our doors were frozen shut on both of our cars. And then Sunday, although the roads were better, we did have a little bit of issues getting out. And you'll be able to see our adventures. What up, guys? It is Sunday, January 14th, 2018. I just checked the weather. It is currently 12 degrees in lovely Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And here's the remnants of the snow from Snowmageddon yesterday. We are going to go out to the Goodwills today. It's 99-cent day for braving the cold. We didn't get to go sourcing yesterday because the roads were bad, covered in snow. So yeah, we have street parking. That's why I'm walking so far to get to Keith's car. Do you hear that? It's like, oh, it's terrible noise! Ah! We are currently stuck in the car. Apparently the windshield wipers are frozen to the windshield. So we're gonna run the heat in the defroster and see if we can't get moving. Alright, we have lift off. Look, you can see out the window and the windshield wipers actually work. Alright, we are about to start driving. That's crooked. Keith looks amused. I also just spent 5 minutes making faces into the camera. Should be amused. It's pretty funny. Alright guys, I will give you a shot of the parking lot at the Goodwill. Our first stop. There's 3 that we usually go to. Okay guys, we are at the Goodwill. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around and give you guys a shot of the front of the store and the parking lot because it looks like they didn't really... Hey, you know, when you live in Pittsburgh, you gotta get used to snow, right? Okay, this is Goodwill number 1. I'm stuck in the car. See, there's the Goodwill and the parking lot. And look at all that snow over there. You see how high it is? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go in and load up our cart. 99 cents. Okay guys, here we are coming out of the Goodwill. Bucky does not want to roll on the snow. It's terrible. Nothing too exciting at this one. You can see we've only got 3 bags full. We usually come out with like 6 or 8 or 10. The jeans I went through were pretty wiped out. Like the racks just only had a couple things on them. So you can see we got 3 bags. Just mostly bread and butter items for the store. I did find one exciting thing. Whoop, whoop. Okay, we are going onward to the next Goodwill. See you there. Pizza time! Pizza time! Go eat this pizza in the car! Whoop. Okay, we're going to Walmart. Okay, we're in the clearance aisle. And I'm trying to be like on the down low because it's a really crowded aisle today. Look at this. Yeah, that's not a sale. This is our clearance aisle. I actually was looking at these last time, but I just don't know. I don't think they're gonna flip so much. I had a little bit of a faux pas before we went in here. I forgot to film us coming here. We were busy eating our pizza in the car, and then we had a phone call. So we went ahead and went in. And hey guys, so normally we would go to the third Goodwill that we typically go to on Sundays and see what we can find there. Sun's right in my eyeballs. I have to buckle up or he won't drive. So, but we have a change of plans. Like I said, before we went into the second one here, we got a call from Keith's grandparents and they would like us to come over. I don't know why I'm looking, he's driving. They would like us to come over and have some dinner with them and visit, and we typically do go over there every Sunday to see them and have dinner with them. And it's kind of getting late in the day, so we're gonna ixnay the third Goodwill and just head over to his grandparents' house. We've got 7 bags. We did skip the third Goodwill. Typically we would probably have had 10 to 12 bags, give or take, depending on how good things were at the other Goodwill. So I'm going to go ahead and sit down and go through this and pull out maybe like 10 pieces to highlight to show you guys. Hey guys, as you can tell by my hair and my shirt that it is actually Tuesday by the time I'm getting around to the haul portion of this video. We did stay pretty late at Keith's grandparents Sunday night. Our first Goodwill stop was, it won't focus, 45 items for $52.28. And then our second Goodwill that we went to, we got 70 items for $80.80. So you can see that we didn't quite pay 99 cents for everything, for most of it, but we got 125 items for right around $130. So that's not bad. Math is not my forte. Okay. So you guys saw we had 7 bags. We have 125 items. I just kind of picked out a couple that I wanted to highlight. This one's cool. Now this one is a yellow tag. Green tags were 99 cents and yellow tags were half off. So this, we paid $1.50 for it. But it's pretty rad, guys. It is a Ghostbuster shirt, new with tags. And it's Hot Topic, which we have always done really well with. This one is a green tag. So we paid 99 cents for it. It's a Nike golf shirt, new with tags. Kind of hesitant because on the one sleeve it has Rivers Casino on it, which is our local casino here in Pittsburgh. But we have sold a couple casino shirts, Rivers Casino shirts in the past. And we did okay. And because it's also Nike and new with tags, and you know, only 99 cents, it's worth a shot. This one has a green tag. It was 99 cents also. It's Hard Rock Cafe Stockholm. New with tags. We really lucked out on new with tags this week. It's pretty awesome. This is an older brand. I've never found it while sourcing. I've never even tried to flip it before. I'm going to try it. You guys remember this? Lacoste, whatever. Fancy people word. For 99 cents, I figured, you know what? That little alligator reminds me of growing up, so I wanted to try it. This is another one that we paid. Well, we paid $3 for this one. But it was worth the risk to me because it seems like it's going to be worth something. It says Kings Island. I've never heard of it. So it's either an amusement park somewhere that I've never heard of or one that has closed down. This tag on the shirt says 1991, if you can see it. And it has the Flintstones guy, Fred. The Flintstones guy. Yeah, I know his name's Fred. Sorry. Total brain fart. Maybe I need more coffee. So it has this price tag on it that's like really old school, and it's pinned to the shirt with a pin. So I just thought I wanted to try this. It's worth a shot. $3. Yeah, but you know, gotta take risks, especially when you're paying 99 cents for most stuff. So This one we paid $2.50 for. It's Disney. It is a men's green polo, but it has a little Mickey on it playing golf. And this is Florida. So we found 1, 2, 3 of these. They're all kind of plain. They're not exciting. There's no special graphics or anything, but they were all 99 cents, so they're worth it. Green tag, 99 cents. Tommy Bahama. It's just kind of a plain polo. This is just kind of a plain shirt. Green tag, 99 cents. Also Tommy Bahama. And, you know, another one for 99 cents. Just a plain blue button-down shirt, but for 99 cents, even plain Tommy Bahama is worth picking up. We found about 5 Brooks Brothers shirts. We found, I think it was like 3 polos and a vest, or maybe 2 vests, and then this button-down. They were all 99 cents. I only brought the one over to show you because I liked it the best. And this was probably a mistake, but I like to take risks. Sometimes it's fun to take a chance. So we paid $1.50 for this, which my general rule is never pay more than $1 for a tie unless it's Brooks Brothers, Vineyard Vines, Donald Trump. But I paid $1.50 for this. Keith didn't want to, so if this turns out to be a mistake, it's all on me. I talked him into it. I've never heard of this brand, but look how cute puppies are, and they're dog hunting. I don't know what I thought. I thought somebody would like it. I don't know if it was worth $1.50 to flip, but this is exciting because we have been at this for about 9-10 months now, and this is the first time we have found anything of this brand. We usually look for their ties because we hear they go pretty well, and we have good luck finding Brooks Brothers and Donald Trump all the time. So we always thought we would run into a Vineyard Vines tie before anything else. This is just a polo shirt. It's got stripes. We paid $2.50. And I just flipped a pair of these. I took a best offer for $45 last week. So this was not half off or anything. I paid the full $7. But even if I take a best offer of $40 or $45 again, I'm still making $20+ on these. So they're big turds. Can you see that? It's true religion. They're nice. They have some bling, bling, bling on the butt pockets, and there's a dark wash denim and the flare on the bottom. I reckon I'll get about $40 or $45 for them. If you enjoyed this video, please push the like button. If you haven't already and you would like to, subscribe. Help us feed a hungry hippo. And you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a great night.